How's it going, everyone? The investing guy Crypto 3000 here, and today I have an update on my Robinhood portfolio, which is dividend stock based. So all my holdings there, or most of them, pay a dividend. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. We are getting very close to my target of 500 subscribers, and when we get there, I will be giving one lucky subscriber one of these here. I do have more thoughts on giveaways, guys. If I do grow one day, I do believe in giving back to the viewers. Since you guys are the ones creating the income, I do believe in giving back. So just make sure that you subscribe for more giveaways like this. All right, so this past month has been a very busy month for me. I've been working my rear off to make sure that my investments are growing. If you guys have been keeping up with my journey, you know that I've been doing a lot of different things in my dividend portfolio. I have been focusing on my dividend portfolio a little bit more than on my crypto. On my crypto, I'm just letting it rest. But yeah, my dividend portfolio has been very active lately. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so this is what our portfolio is looking like. It's looking great, guys. We are up $32 today. I will show you exactly what I did today. It was quite active today. I really couldn't hold myself back. I get very excited when I put new money in here, and I do need to get better at just holding cash. As you can see here, I only have $2 here, so I need to get a lot better at just being able to let some money rest and waiting to purchase some dips. But yeah, I was very excited for today to come, when the last of the month. I am a teacher and I get paid in the last of the month, and that's when I send out my investments to my different portfolios. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out what happened. So this morning I went ahead and I deposited, I believe it was $600. And with that, we purchased quite a bit of things. So we purchased Clearway Energy. Here's the video for Clearway Energy, and I will go ahead and link it somewhere up here. Guys, I do believe in putting my money where my mouth is. So here's Clearway Energy, and you guys can watch this video and maybe think if this is something that you would like to purchase. We did buy SRET, which is just a REIT ETF that holds a bunch of different REITs, and then it pays off a nice dividend. So it was quite down today, so I just went ahead and I bought one just to feel like I purchased a dip on something. I also went ahead and I bought one stock of Lowe's. I believe we're already about $1 down on this, which is it's perfectly fine. I'm looking to hold this for the long term. So we bought one stock of Lowe's, and then we also bought one stock of Hormel Foods. Like I said, these purchases came directly out of these two videos, so the Ultimate Dividend Kings Showdown. And if you were keeping up with this, you kind of know that Lowe's and Hormel made it quite far in my Dividend King Showdown. So those were two of the purchases for this morning. Another one of our purchases here was Federal Realty. And this one, guys, it was literally from what I saw. I did go visit one of their shopping centers, and it was hectic. It was crazy. This was directly out of my intuition, right? From what I saw as in my experience. I do live near San Jose, so I went to Santana Row, and it was packed. So I do think that Federal Realty, if you haven't looked into it, guys, I also reviewed it in my Ultimate Dividend King Showdown. So again, one of my stocks that I reviewed here. So if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and look into that. I went ahead and I bought Altria. Altria has been beat down over the past week or so. And if you don't know, Altria just had a huge legal battle, which they lost, which brought their price down quite a bit. But I mean, Altria, again, a dividend king that is paying a huge dividend. I mean, I'm just betting that they can get through this and do good. So hopefully they do well in the future and they can continue paying out their dividends. I then went ahead and I bought 7 RYLD. Again, guys, this is coming directly from my video, buying 1 QYLD per day. Though I did change my strategy. Instead of buying 1 QYLD, I am rotating on a weekly basis. 1 week I purchase 7 QYLD, and then the next week I purchase RYLD. They're pretty similar, but I just really like to kind of diversify, just in case if one doesn't do so well, then the other one can kind of make up for the slack. That's kind of my thinking there. And you can see that they are already putting in work here. The dividend is putting in work. QYLD paid me $3.88, which were directly reinvested. You can see here. And then RYLD paid me $2.42, which again were directly reinvested. And again, I am going to continue to just directly reinvest these until we reach 100 stocks in each. So 100 stocks of RYLD and 100 stocks of QYLD. And then I will see what I do with that money. I will revise my plan and think what to do with that money. So again, our portfolio is looking quite well. In terms of the all-time here, I have learned from some mistakes. Right now, we should be much higher than $547. But as you can see here, I played with options, I believe 4 times. And one time it came out well. And then the next 3 times they came out really bad. I believe this time here I lost a lot. It was like $200. There was one where I lost like $400. I believe it was this one here. I'm not going to play with options anymore because that's only taking away from my profits here. This is just going to be just dividend based and just dividend investing, just letting the snowball effect do its thing and see where this takes us. Again, guys, I'm very, very excited for this portfolio. And we are finally at 11,500, which is a huge, huge stepping stone. Not only that, but we made $38.64 in dividends, which is huge, nearly doubled from the past month. And then July, if you don't know, a lot of companies do pay in June because it's the 6th month. It's half of the year, and a lot of companies pay either in June or December. So June and December are usually the 2 best dividend paying months out there. So July, we are kind of looking at a little $3 decrease, but we'll see. Maybe it increases. We'll see where it goes, right? Just depending on how QYLD and RYLD do, these might go up. But yeah, things are looking quite good, guys. The next goal is to reach a month where we reach $50. So looking to get there. Hopefully before December, we can get a month where we get $50. That would be awesome. So right now, guys, I'm not really focused on this here, though it's pretty cool to look at it. I'm mostly focused on this number here. This is what I am focusing on, okay? So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned something from it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, anything like that, anything that I can help in. Again, this is not financial advice. This is literally what I am doing, as you can see here, right? And like I said, any video that I create, I put my money where my mouth is. I bought this, I bought this, I bought these here, right? I showed you guys this. I bought this, right? I bought this. So I really put my money where my mouth is. I made a trade here, right? Everything that I say here, I do. Hopefully you guys can learn from what I am doing, and if I ever do any mistakes, well, you guys will learn not to do those mistakes. All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys next time.